Montana Plastic Primer is the perfect pre-treatment for plastic surfaces. Surfaces should be clean, dry, and have any rust, oils, or dust removed before application. Sand smooth plastics in order to improve adhesion. Remove the safety ring by removing the nozzle and turning the can upside down, allowing the ring to fall out. Shake can well for 2 to 3 minutes. Priming is suitable for polyurethane, polystyrene, polyamide, EPDM rubber, acrylonitrile, butadiene styrene, fiberglass, as well as for rigid PVC. Best results can be achieved at temperatures between positive 10 to 20 degrees Celsius. Apply Montana Primer spray at a distance of 20 centimeters from substrate. Apply in multiple layers, minimum 2 to 3, alternating between vertical and horizontal application. At least 5 minutes drying time between every single layer. Can be top-coated with acrylic, synthetic resin, or nitro combi lacquers after approximately 3 hours. Montana Plastic Primer, highest quality made in Germany.